I'm photographing dragonflies so that I can identify them. I think this is I don't remember now. There's another one right here somewhere. Okay, here he is now. Notice the yellow on his face. It might be green. Those big round things are the eyes. They're split into millions of little squares. See how their arms are bent forward? So that as they fly, they can scoop up mosquitoes. That's the head. This is the thorax. This part right here. And then this is all the abdomen. And those sections are numbered. And see the spots along the side. And see the rings. And then at the very tip, notice how the tail is open. And now this one has, it's pretty in the sun, so it's pretty much in the sun, so you can't really tell, but the wings are clear, and the body appears to have brown, and then gray or black. And I don't know if those are yellow dots along the sides. Now he just got up and flew for a moment, so could be he was getting a bug. I don't see him eating it. But he could be. Let's start moving over there. Is he eating that? Was that something he... No. Maybe we can get him from a different angle. No, I think our glasses are going to be in the way. green-faced or white-faced. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning on June 19th, 2011. So you can see there's no big spots on his wings. Dragonflies, if you watch them, you'll notice they're always in the sun. They don't go in the shade if they can help it. I believe that, like butterflies, they are solar powered. Well, no, wait a minute. Butterflies don't eat. They drink water or sap. Most dragonflies do eat. Isn't that fun? Maybe you're not as excited as I am, but I have this awesome book called Dragonflies Through Binoculars. And it's the coolest book. It has all these plates with pictures that you can see what the dragonflies are. It's awesome. Look at this beautiful stand of grass tops. I think our dragonfly went in there. That was him. That's him again. Now he's down here. So he prefers to be on a... Oh, we switched. We've got a different one here now. They prefer to be in the sun. Same kind. Anyway, oops, I gotta go. Bye. I'm walking. I'm hoping Willem is gonna pick me up on his way to church. Bye.